Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're taking a closer look at Motif. Motif is an AI powered design tool that was launched a few months back. So before we explore its features, let's take a quick look at the landing page. So this is the landing page. To sign up, you have to click on this blue button over here and go through the sign up process, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. But if you've signed up before, you can easily log in here by clicking on this text over here, this login text over here. So let's proceed. This is what the dashboard looks like. The dashboard looks familiar. If you've been using Figma, you can easily tell that this looks like Figma. So if you proceed, you see what the tool is all about, what the tool does, and all the features. You can see all the AI features here, the AI design systems, how it works, and all of that. You can see the pricing as well, and you can see the footer. So let's go to the pricing page. It has a free plan just like Figma. And so these are all the things you get to benefit as a starter. Then for the professional plan, it goes for just $4 in a month. And if you want to have access to dev mode, you have to pay $1. Okay, so for this organization, what it means is that if you have an organization and you would like your organization to use the tool, you have to pay like $15 monthly. And if you want access to dev mode, you have to pay $3. Okay, so the pricing is quite fair. So let's proceed to the dashboard. Looking at the dashboard, it looks so much like Figma, though there are a few differences. You can easily import your file from Figma and Adobe SD. You can do that here. Click on this card. If you hover on this icon here, you see how to import your files and also how to import your library from Figma down here. So to import your library down, you click on this card over here, click on this button over here to do that. So now let's proceed to create a new file. This is what our canvas looks like. Let's first of all give our file a name. Design. So looking at the canvas, it looks like Figma. If you look at the side menu, it is familiar. You look at the property panel as well, and we also have the toolbar here. If you've been using Figma, you definitely will not find this too difficult to use. You can easily navigate through because it's something you're already familiar with. Looking at the side menu, looking at the property panel, it looks similar. It looks like what you already know, and the toolbar as well. So now let's explore the AI features. What makes this tool stand out is the AI features. So let's do that. And one thing I've noticed is that you may not have access to the old feature if you're designing here in a new file. So to get access to the old features, you have to go to the playground, and the playground is where you get to see all the different AI features and how they work. They're like different screens that will take you through how to use the AI tools. So let's go down to the playground. So I'm going to be clicking on the AI playground file. Everything in this file, you can see it here in the contents table. So all these have different functions. They do different things. Let's start with this one. So I'm going to use this AI to generate the design I'm going to be working with. When you click on it, this will pop up. Then you can input what you want. Let's say we want a coffee app. A coffee app home page. It will take a while to load, so give it time to do that. Okay, so this is it. Now let's take this out. So I'm done with this. Okay, so now you can edit this. You can change the text. If you don't want the font, you can easily change it. If you don't want the color, you can easily change the color. You can change the buttons. You can change the cards if you want to. So it is easy to edit. So just generate it and edit it to your taste. Okay, so let's proceed to the other one, which is AI reduplication. Okay, what AI reduplication does is that, let me use this as an example. If you want a card, if you want another card like this, so if you want to duplicate this, you have to change the image and the information down below, you have to change it. So instead of going through the process of thinking of what to write here and looking for the image to use, you can easily select the card, come over here, click on AI reduplication, then this will pop up. If you want to drag it like this, you can drag it like this, and if you want to drag it down, you can also do that. So this is the result. It will change the image, and it will change the information below the image. You can see this, and if it doesn't suit what you're looking for, you can then proceed to change the image to what you want. Okay, so that is what AI reduplication does, and I believe it will make your work faster. You can also do it here. If, for example, you want this to come down here, you want more of this card, the fastest way to access the reduplication feature is to click on D on your keyboard. This will pop out like this, then you drag it like this. You can see, you drag it out and wait for it to finish reduplicating. You can see the image has changed, and the content underneath it has changed as well. The name of the coffee has changed as well. So this is a very nice feature. So let's proceed to the other one. There's AI layout. Okay, so what AI layout does is, let's bring this here. So what AI layout does is that instead of adding auto layout to your elements one after the other, like connecting to different cards together, connecting different text and buttons and all of that together, you can just select your frame, navigate here, then click on AI layout, then click on add auto layout. So that way it will add auto layout to all your elements in the frame. You can see it here in the property panel that auto layout has been added to this frame. So that is what it does. Let's take this out and generate something else. I only need this section here. Let's delete this. So this is how the magic box works. Click on it and drag like this. Input what you want. Maybe because this is a music app, that was why it generated cards that are related to music. Let's click on this. This is okay. So this is what the magic box does. Let's explore this other feature here. So this is AI design system creator. So what this feature does is, when you click on it, it will generate design system for this project you're working on. So you'll be asked to select the file you're working on. So you click on it. Which one are we working? Okay, this is it over here. This is it over here. Then click on this blue button, this start recognizing button here, and wait for it to finish processing. So here you can see the colors, the typography, the icons, the buttons, and everything that makes up the design. So one thing I find really amazing about this is that you can easily tell the number of times you used a particular color in your design. If you used it 5 times, it will indicate that this particular color was used 5 times across your design. If you used it twice, it will indicate that it was used twice. So you can see it at the top over here. And to inspect, you can click on this icon here to look at the particular screen where the color was used. If the color was used 5 times, it will indicate. You can, when you click on it, to show the difference, the particular screen where the color was used, is to bring it out for you to see. So we also have typography. So all the fonts that was used, you can also see it here. the font that was used in the design is Poppins and Inter. You can see them here, their sizes, their weight, and their line height. You can see everything here. You can also see the effects. You can also see icons, all the icons used. You can see them here. You can see the nav bar and the status bar as well. So let's go back to the playground. So this brings us to the end of the video, guys. Let me know if you're going to be using this tool anytime soon, and also let me know the feature you find interesting the most. For me, I like the reduplication feature. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to do that. And also don't forget to like my video, share with your friends as well who needs to see them. Thank you for always coming around. I hope to see you in my next video. Do have a lovely week ahead. Bye.